Hey, welcome to Tech Talk. My name's Ed, and today I'm going to show you Voicebox. It's an open source piece of software that you can download and install. I have a video showing you exactly how to do that in the description below. And once it's installed, this is what it'll look like. Now, I'm going to show you some things about this that some people just aren't showing you. And one of the first things you need to do is come down here to settings. Well, you don't need to. You can actually run this from your CPU and it's fine. It'll work fine. But if you have a GPU and you want to try it, click on GPU and you can click install the software here. I've already installed mine. You may not have a good enough card or a graphics processor that will work with this. So don't worry about it. If you don't, that's fine. But then once you come down here to the models, you're going to see an arrow next to all of these. You can click on the arrow and download each one of them. And if you decide you want to remove it, you can also come back in here and delete the model. That's fine. And notice the size of these. This one's almost 5 gigabytes. So you have to make sure you have enough space on your computer to install all these models. And once you're done, you can start creating your voices. Now, right here, you can create a story. So once you create different voices, you can come in and create a story. And I'll create a separate video for that. It'll be a little bit more lengthy video, but it works pretty darn good. So now here is where you're going to create the voice. Now you can import a voice or you can just record your own voice. Now I did record some voices that I'm going to import for you just to show you, and I'm going to create a video. I'm not sure if I'll have it done by the time I release this one, but if you hit the bell and you hit the thumbs up, share it with everybody, subscribe, do all that happy stuff, you'll get notified when I release it. But I'm going to create a video showing you how to use one free app that you can, and that it's free. And when I create a video that says free, it means free. I will tell you whether or not it has a daily limitation. For example, this one here, you install it, there's no limitation. You can use this unlimited. Now, the program that I'm going to offer a video on is also, you install it, it's unlimited, it's free. And I'll show you exactly how to make these voices. So the first thing we need to do is hit create voice. And here you have two options. You can upload the voice or you can start recording a voice. So in a minute, I will show you or in a minute or so, I'll show you the voices that I created. I created a Rocky voice, well, my best version of Rocky, and I created a goofy character voice. And in the application I'm going to share with you, you can modify the pitches of those voices, or you can use your own voice and modify your own voice to make different pitches. So anyways, let me stop stalling and get to it. So I'm going to go ahead and record something quick. Now, while I'm recording, I'm trying to record and be myself. I don't want to change how I speak. I'm going to try to be exactly the way I would if you were standing in front of me. And you want at least about 20 to 30 seconds worth of a recording. And that should be enough for what we need. Now I'm going to go ahead and click transcribe. And while it's transcribing, I'm going to click in here for my voice, and I'm just going to type add to, and I'm going to wait for it. Now it's all transcribed. You can see now while I'm recording, I'm trying to record and be myself. You can see it did a good job of capturing my voice and transcribing it. Now, there's also another transcription software that I'm going to have in the link too. It's called Vibe. And you literally can take an MP3 audio or a full video, I don't care what it is, put it in this application and it will transcribe the whole video for you and give you timestamps too. So if you have your own video, you can take those timestamps, put it in your own video. But that'll be in the description too. So let me go ahead and hit create profile. And up here, you'll see add to. So we're going to click on your profile after you're done making it. And then now we just need to come up with something to say here. Okay, to speed this up a little bit, I just copied, and I'm going to copy and paste a Rocky quote from the movie, since how we're going to use Rocky in a minute. But I'm just going to use my voice to be Rocky for a minute, and I'm going to mostly be using these Quen 3 TTS 1.7B. You can try these other ones if you click the arrow here. Once you get them installed, you can try any one of these. I'm just going to go ahead and keep this for now, and I'm going to hit generate speech. Now, depending on how long your text is, depends on how long it's going to take for this to generate. Now, one thing I've noticed, if it hangs here saying loading models, I usually don't let it continue. What I normally do, and this is one of the negatives of this app, it does this, more often than I would like. So I hit stop here and then I just delete it. And then I hit delete again. And then I'll go in here and I'll repaste it and I will hit generate speech again. Now you see up here now it says generating. That's what you want to see. If it says loading, that's not going to pan out too well for you. Best to stop it and restart over. Okay, so it just finished. It didn't take that long. Let me go ahead and play it real quick so you can hear it. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. So that's not too bad. So now let's see what happens if we take an import Rocky now. So we're going to import a voice now. So now that I already have a voice here, we're going to go ahead and create another one. So we're going to click up here this time, and then we're going to click upload on the left side here. We're going to choose file, and then we're going to do the new Rocky voice. And we're going to hit transcribe again. And then we can just call this new Rocky. So I'm going to click create profile, and I'm going to close this one. And now I'm going to select the new Rocky, and then I'm going to go ahead and Control V. And then I'm going to keep the same profile or the same model, and I'm going to generate speech. And this will probably take about the same amount of time. All right, so it's done. So let's hear what Rocky sounds like these days.
The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it.
And that's it. I mean, not great. I know, terrible Rocky voice, but it works. So you got a second character. So I can also go ahead and import my other character. So I'll go ahead and create voice, and I will hit upload, choose file, and then add Crazy Kid in there. I'll do transcribe, and I'll go crazy voice. Do Crazy Kid voice. How's that sound? Or crazy voice. Let's see. And then we'll just hit create and select the crazy voice. I'll go Control V, do the same thing that we did. Keep the same model and go ahead and generate speech. All right, so this one's done. Took about the same amount of time. Didn't take very long at all. And I'm going to go ahead and click on it.
The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are. It will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, like I said, I'm going to have a link in the description with software that you can take voices like that and you can modify it, change the pitch. You can take your own voice, change the pitch, and you can use it as a different character. But that's pretty much it. VoiceBox is pretty cool, and as you can see, it works good. It's pretty quick, and you notice we only had the one that had the uploading issue. So, well, anyways, if this helps you, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and share it with the world. I'm sure other people would be interested in using this. All right, well, you have a great day, and let me know in the comments what you think, my friends. All right, we'll see you.